Okay. So my next question is, in times of COVID-19, the risk factor has increased, has gone very high. So how can you invest by minimizing the risk?
Okay, see now that's a really good question. Okay, and there is no easy way to minimize the risk. Okay, because we are in times where the volatility is very high.
Right.
20% up one day and 20% down one day. This is how the market is going. So the emotions are playing their game in the market. Okay. So your best chance to safeguard yourself from this volatility is to increase your knowledge and your conviction of whatever stock you're buying.
Right.
Okay, you read the books, you read the news, the data,
Hmm.
you talk to people, you go take surveys. For example, I'll just give you a very dumb example. Okay, I just went down the other day and had a cup of tea from this. Those $10 tea guys have come now. So these tea guys, tea vendors have propped up everywhere. They sell tea for $10, okay, and it's a standardized franchisee-based tea model. I don't know if it's there in your city, but in mine, the tea franchises have come up.
Hmm.
So I just went to one such franchise and I asked them कि तुम्हारा कैसा business हो गया normal and all. He's like, see, I used to sell 90 liters of tea a day
Nine.
before COVID. Now I sell 40 liters.
Okay.
So these things, when you go, you talk to people. So I talked to my Mediclaim guy, okay, for some COVID wala reason.
Hmm.
My Mediclaim guy is saying that the COVID claims, okay, have gone at a high. Means in this whole year, the COVID claims which are coming now, they are too much. Okay, how are these guys reporting that the numbers have gone down? I don't know. So they are saying that the chances, he was saying chances are that these numbers are wrong.
Hmm.
Okay,
Right.
these Maharashtra guys are reporting the cases have come down and all that stuff. He's like, I know because I'm the one who applies for the claim for all my patients.
Hmm.
Most number of claims are coming right now in this week. How are the numbers gone down? So when you talk on the
Right.
ground level, you talk with businessmen, you talk with small people, you talk with anyone. Look at your own friends around you. How many of your friends are doing non-discretionary spending?
Hmm.
I'm just asking you, like, how many of your
Not not.
friends are doing non-discretionary spending?
I don't think. I mean, all of them are spending like they were spending on any other day, on any normal day. He used
Oh,
to spend.
they have become normal now, the spending pattern.
Yeah,
Okay.
like the majority of my friends, they are spending like they used to spend.
Okay,
But
that may be true. In my case, I don't see people buying clothes anymore because they barely have to go out.
hmm,
So the purchase of clothes have gone out. So you go to a shop, you ask kitna tumhara business hua. All these things is gonna increase your information,
huh,
your knowledge, and then you take a calculated bet on which stock you want to buy. That is your best risk against this COVID situation. There's no other way in which you safeguard yourself or your investment in COVID apart from this.
right.
That way.
Absolutely. Okay, so what are the sectors we should invest in recent scenario? Like considering the previous question, what are the scenarios? Sorry, what
Okay.
are the yeah, what are the sectors?
Okay, so see, cyclically, if I were to answer your question, then IT and pharma have already outperformed. Okay,
Uh,
metal looks good, and the small cap 100, okay, which was crashing till March this year, has just picked up a bit of space pace, so it looks like worthy of some attention. Apart from that, the consumption sector also is an interesting space. I'm watching for those numbers in order to buy. So these are a few conventional sectors, which I'm talking cyclically. Now, non-cyclically, the newer ones, I feel that the insurance sector looks good. Okay.
Insurance.
How much is the insurance penetration in India? Very less.
Uh, right.
And with this COVID scare and everything, people are now gonna go and buy more insurance.
Hmm. Health,
So
health insurance specifically.
yeah, health and life both. I do feel that insurance sector is going to boom because of this scare which is having, and people are losing their near and dear ones also. It's a bad situation.
Right. Right.
So yeah, then this India-China thing is going on, and because of that, the government has already over the last 5 years they have ramped up the defense spending. But the defense sector has a few interesting picks also, which you can try picking, right?
Hmm.
And so does the specialty chemical sector
Hmm.
and the power transmission sector. So these few sectors I'm looking at. Apart from this, from a futuristic perspective, I'm also keeping a close eye on the electric vehicle space in India.
Hmm.
Okay, it's interesting how things are shaping up there. So you might be aware of Tesla, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So Tesla's car has a range of around 400 or 450 kilometers on one charge.
Hmm.
Tata has come up with an EV which has a range of 300 kilometers on one charge.
Oh.
That's not bad. I mean, considering from a cheaper price perspective and it being Indian native and all,
Yeah.
it's not bad. So a lot of changes are occurring in this EV space. So if the government is serious about it, okay, the way Gadkari talks about it, he's pretty serious of ushering it in. So electric
Hmm.
vehicles, electric buses, electric charging stations, and batteries. So this space is worth watching out for, and a lot of companies are there with a lot of technologies which um, might take off in the years to come. So it's good to keep a watch on that.
Hmm. Right.
So these are a few sectors that I am looking at.
Right. Okay. Also, sir, can you provide some few investment tips to young individuals who are willing to start with small investments?
Okay. So see, you guys are college people, right? So if you want to start, you're in college, you can start with a business that you understand. Okay. Now, or you can start with just looking around you. See, the median age of India is 28. Okay. Youngsters are the ones who are spending now in India. So you try and ascertain the spending patterns, the saving patterns of people around you.
Hmm.
That will tell you about the future scenario, what is going to happen. Let me give you an example. You're in Delhi, right?
No, I'm right now. I'm not in Delhi. I'm in
Okay,
now.
right. Okay. So I'm in Bombay. Okay, and this immigrant wala crisis happened, and all the immigrant workers went to their states.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So in Bombay, there's a big shortage of the household helps and cleaning staff and all those people.
Hmm.
People are cleaning their vessels on their own, cleaning their houses on their own. Now, this is a thing. Now, with the COVID situation, people are even scared. Okay, if there is a house help who works in 15, 20 houses, do you want him to come to your house or not?
Hmm.
This is a legit problem which we are facing. Okay.
Hmm.
So, इसमें I'll throw a couple of numbers at you, okay, which will tell you what I'm getting at.
Hmm.
Since April, okay,
Huh.
Bosch car dishwashers are sold out online.
What? Which dish?
Bosch, Bosch company का dishwashers, they are sold out online since
On.
April.
Okay.
Okay.
Huh.
And in August, Voltas came up with a cheaper dishwasher which is specific to Indian market.
Okay.
So you understand. So
Yes, sir.
so
Yes,
when you
sir.
look around you, you see the problems being faced by people, and you see which companies are addressing those problems. They are the ones that are likely to succeed.
Right.
So this is how you get clues. This is how you have to keep a close eye. Now I'm keeping a very close eye on this dishwasher wala market because I feel it's gonna take off.
Right.
You know, so that's what I'm saying. You have to look around, see businesses that you understand, see your peers spending patterns, try to determine के future में क्या पैसा कमाएगा, see which companies are dealing, then you look at the financials of the company and then you invest.
Hmm.
You may be wrong, but you're in college. Okay, go to attend the AGM of the company,
Hmm.
check the results, build your financial model, see if you're going right or wrong.
There's this guy
So
who's saying like laptop and PC sales increased just immediately after lockdown.
perfect, perfect.
Perfect.
Everyone's gonna work from home. They're gonna require a laptop.
Yeah.
So you have to see all these trends and you have to determine के क्या हो रहा है.
Hmm.
Okay.
Observation. Yeah.
Yeah. Even right now, banking system, the biggest trend which is going on, everyone knows about it, but they're not thinking why. Um, you know that maybe a year back or something, Yes Bank went bust.
Yes, sir.
Before that, PMC Bank went bust. Okay, our banking sector is in a soup. Okay, now Yes Bank jaisa proper bank, you have put all your life saving in it and it goes bust. Okay, now fortunately the government bailed it out. But the next bank which goes bust, you think the government is gonna bail it out?
No.
Maybe not. And there is only 2 lakh rupees insurance for that money, 5 lakh rupees. So if you have put your lifetime saving in the bank, if the bank goes bust, you're just gonna get back 5 lakhs. So
Right.
what do you do with your savings then? You put it in the market has risk. So how do you avert that risk? People are buying gold. See the price of gold. See what is happening to gold.
It's sky high.
Yeah, and it's probably going to continue that way till our banking system improves.
Right.
So the other way to look at it is if you are seeing something कि यार ये बढ़ रहा है, you start thinking कि क्यों बढ़ रहा है. Try to decipher the reasons what is happening, why it's happening, and whether it's going to continue. Buy gold. It's better than putting your money in a bank.
Right.
At least now.
Exactly.
So these are the things you have to. This is how you start investing. Just open an account, look what is why, then you sharpen your skills. That's how it's going to happen.
Absolutely.